Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Age is just a number, and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, 50, 60, 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. And hair, apparently. Okay. I was doing my makeup and I thought, oh, I really enjoyed how this turned out. And so I thought, well, let me just give it out to you to see what you think, and I will take you along with me to do this eye to get this look. So it is, all my makeup is done except for the eyes. So here's what I've done, and I really like it. As you can see how much bigger it makes the eye look, and I just thought it was a really pretty look, so I thought I'd share it with you if you were interested in it. So let's get started. What I've done is I've already done all my everything, like I said. So the palette that I'm using is the BK Beauty palette, and they had sent this to me months and months and months ago, and I've been using it, and it's a lovely neutral palette, but yet you can get a little bit more bolder on it if you would like to. So I thought I would show this to you. I'll take the mirror. Sorry. Here's the color. If you don't know, BK Beauty, they make the most wonderful brushes, and I am an affiliate for them as well too, but they make lipsticks, and I'm wearing one of their lipsticks and liners as well with this. So what I've got here, and you can't even see it here, but I'm going to show you. Where'd it go? Here it is. One of my BK Beauty, the blush brush, the A507. I even used this color here called Ambition. Right here. Let me just tap into it here, just ever so lightly with this blush brush. You have to be kind of careful, but I've got some on there. Now I have blended it out some, but it makes the most beautiful blush as well too. It's just lovely. And the color right above it, right here, which is Brooklyn, which is one of her, Lisa's, the founder of this company, one of her daughters. And it makes just a gorgeous highlighter. So, all right, so let's get started on the eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the BK Beauty 202. It is a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to go into the color called Love, which is this beautiful neutral tan. Just going to tap into it, and then I'm just going to put it in the crease. Now, what I'm doing here, I'm taking it all the way in, because this is just going to be kind of like a helping a base. And I'm just taking it out here to the edge. I'm not doing the whole dark outer V thing. This is the different look that I'm doing. I'm just kind of gotten tired of that dark outer V, and I'm experimenting with some other techniques. So I'm just bringing it from the corner of my eyebrow and in, just to kind of give it a baseline with that. So the other color that I'm going to use is this color called Kate, which is this beautiful iridescent purple. Now what I'm going to be using it with is this A505. And what I love about this is a flat brush to put shimmer on with, but it's curved and it's extremely thin. Therefore, it's multitasking, which you will see here in just a minute. So what I'm going to do is first I'm just going to go on, and these are very soft shadows. So you must tap it off. I'll show you if you can see that. I had to tap that off. So being that it's tapered on the end, it makes it so easy to get it on the mobile eyelid. You see what I'm saying right there? To get it on there. So it goes on so easy right there. So now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to do the part underneath it. I went in under that corner, under that where the eyebrow is, and because it's flat and pointy, you can kind of just, I'm just dragging it in to meet that. See what I'm doing? But then I'm going to take that brush that I used first, I'm going to do the switch pan on it to get anything off, and then I'm just going to lightly go over it. Just lightly go over it, blending, blending, and blending, so I don't have any edge of either color there. So now I've got that on the lid, but I want to intensify it. So I'm just going to tap into that color, the purple color. I'm going to take my Max Fix Plus, give it a squirt on there, and then I'm just going to start going over all of that with that color, intensifying it. See how quickly that intensifies with that once you put that spray on there? And I'm just coming up to that slightly point again. And I'm keeping the angle up so it's bringing the eye up. Again, I'm just going to go over it. All right, I'm going to do one more round of it. Go over and get a little bit of that purple and a little bit of the spray. And I'm just intensifying that color. All over there. One more time with the blending brush over the edge. All right, now same brush. I'm going to go into this color in the corner, which is like an iridescent dark purple, and it's called Dream right here. So I'm going to dip in directly into it slightly like this. I'm going to spray that. And then I'm going to go under my eye just ever so slightly with that. About halfway through. And then I'm going to kick it up. Kick it up in the corner. See? And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to go on top of my lash line with it as well too. But I'm doing it right as close as I can to the eyelashes. I wish I could do this without opening my mouth, you know. I don't know if there's a practice technique for that. Maybe just keep talking while I'm doing it. I don't know. Maybe that would do it. All right. So I'm also going to now take the same brush and I'm going to dip into that dark purple again. Spray it again. Now what I'm going to do is what's on here, I'm going to go underneath the lashes. So I just intensified that lash line a bit with that dark purple, that color. I don't want this to be a thick little wing, just a little flick is what I'm asking for, or what I'm hoping for. So now I'm going to go back in with this into that first purple called Kate, the lighter one. And I'm just going to kind of go over ever so gently on top of that darker one that I did. And then that first one, not first one, but the Brooklyn, this beige shimmer, I'm just going to dip into that ever so slightly and just do it from the inner corner in. About a third of the way in. And then come back and put it in the inner as well too. All right. All right, so now we're going to do the lashes. Well, oh, first, let me go back in. With that Brooklyn, I'm just going to go on a little bit on my finger. And I'm going to go underneath my brow real quick. Now, because my finger, you see how it kind of was a little bit more brighter, we want to blend that together. I'm taking a huge blending brush here, blending that layer underneath it to that layer, and it kind of takes it out a little bit. You see what I'm saying? To where you just have this soft little highlight up there. Okay. So now I'm going to do some lashes. Actually, I'm not doing fake lashes. I'm doing real lashes. And this is going to be the Telescopic L'Oréal. I love this. So I'm going to see if I can bring you in so you can see this. Let's see if I can turn the light on a little bit more. No, wrong way. There you can get a good idea of both of them. All right, so let's see if I can stick my elbow up here and I can do this. So I'm not doing any primer. I'm not doing any eyelash curler. This is a telescopic lift. This sucker does lift as well as makes your lashes beautiful without clumps. So it's got two different, I don't know if you can see this. It's got, there it is. It's got a curved side and a flat side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it on the side with the flat side on the bottom. I'm just placing it on there and just lightly wiggling it up a little bit. See if I can do it over here as well too. Oh. Trying not to get my hand too far in there. So that is one coat on there. I did get one little spot right here. I've got a Q-tip handy. Comes right off, and I've got an itch on the nose. All right, let's go in for the second coat. For the second coat, I'm going to come in and I'm going to bring this kind of vertically. All right. Now, I'm going to come back in with one more coat. And I'm finding that on this mascara, working on one eye at a time is best because you want to work on it while it is wet or moist. Don't let it dry. So 3 coats. Look at this lift. For a drugstore foundation, oh my goodness. I don't know, this beats some of the high-end ones as well too. So can you see? All right, so what I'm going to do is one last thing, and that is put a little bit of waterproof mascara on the bottom. And that is it. I had the leaky eyes, so that's it. So that is how I got this look. So now the lipstick that I used is, this is called, the liner is called Pink Lady, and the lip is, one second, let's see, Passion. It's a beautiful, beautiful pink, and I'll put it on here for you. There's the lipstick, and the lip liner. I love these lip liners because they're angled. Can you see that? What a perfect match that is. And then I actually did top it off with just a little bit of City Lips in pink nude, just in the center, just a little bit. So there is this look. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time with me. I appreciate it so much. I'm going to get out of here. You got stuff to do, and I got stuff to do too. So I will check in and see you guys in my next video. Have a very safe and a very blessed day.